Chinese passport holder can't enter Vietnam with visa free. So what's the easiest way to get in for 2026? Let me show you the fastest way, that is the Vietnam eVisa. Now let's start with the basic. If you are a Chinese traveler planning to visit Vietnam, here's what you need to know. China is not on the Vietnam visa exemption list, so a visa is required before you entry. For most short trips like tourism, visiting friends, or quick business travel, the Vietnam eVisa is simpler and more efficient option. It's an electronic issued by the Vietnam Immigration Department, and you can apply completely online, no embassy visit, and no complicated paperwork. As of 2026, the Vietnam eVisa can be granted for up to 90 days with single or multiple entries option. It's faster and have reduced mistakes if you follow the correct step. However, for long-term work, investment, or company-sponsored stay, the eVisa won't be enough, and you will need an approval letter and a visa sticker through the proper process. And in the next part, I will show you exactly how to apply the Vietnam eVisa. To apply for a Vietnam eVisa, you will go through 3 main steps. Step 1. Prepare your documents and information. Step 2. Submit your application online and pay the fee. Step 3. Check your result, handle any additional requests, and download your eVisa. Now, let's go into each step in detail. First, step 1. Prepare your documents. It's actually very simple. You only need 2 main things. A passport photo file size under 2 MP, white background, front facing, and clear face. And your passport must be valid for more than 1 month. The photo of the passport page must be clear, not blurry, no glare, no missing corners, and must show the full barcode at the bottom. Besides that, prepare some basic information in advance like personal details, travel purpose, travel history, itinerary. This helps you fill out the form most accurately. Step 2. Apply online. First, access the eVisa service. Go out our website evisa.vnhub.com. On the landing page, select your nationality from the For Citizen of drop-down menu and your destination. And finally, click the Get Started button. Next, select Service Information. In this section, you define the type of visa you need and service type. Choose your desired visa duration and entry type. Service details, select the processing time that fits your schedule. Next, review the overview panel on the right to see the total cost. And you can also check the document to prepare tab at the bottom to ensure you have everything ready. And finally, click Continue. Then, provide applicant information. Carefully fill in your personal and passport details. And next, upload photos. Upload a high-quality portrait photo and a clear scan of your passport photo page. Next, full name. Enter your last name and first name exactly as they appear on your passport. Gender and DOP. Select your gender and your date of birth. Passport details. Enter your passport number, passport expiry date, and select your passport type, usually ordinary passport. Once all fields are filled, click Continue. After that, review and confirm. A summary page will appear. Review all information carefully, as errors can lead to visa rejection. Verify your personal info like name, gender, and nationality, and trip info like visa type, processing speed. If everything is correct, click Continue and Payment. Next, Payment. Choose payment method. Select your preferred method. In this video, PayPal is selected. Click Continue with PayPal. The system will show a breakdown of costs, including the order payment and the PayPal fee. Click Pay with PayPal to redirect it to secure payment gateway. And finally, completion. Once the payment is processed, you will see a payment successful message. You can now click Go to Order Detail to track the status of your applications. And you will receive email update from us within 24 hours and will notify you via email if any additional documents are required. And you can also check your application status using your application code on the website. Once your eVisa is approved, print a copy to present open entry. Also keep a PDF version on your phone or email as backup. And that's it. I have just walked you through the full process of applying for Vietnam eVisa step by step. Good luck! If this video helped you understand, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Vietnam visa guide. And if you are applying from China and want to avoid delays, rejection, or confusing steps, especially for urgent travel or complex cases, feel free to contact our team at Tân Văn Lang. With 20 years experience and thousands of successful visa applications, we can guide you through the process quickly and correctly from the start. Check the contact details below and we will support you right away. Thank you and goodbye.